Cooking with Kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with Kush, ayy, catch a vibe. Cooking with Kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with Kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with Kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with Kush, ayy, catch a vibe.
Hi, I'm Davon. I'm one of your hosts.
I'm PJ, your other host, and we're the
creators of Cooking with Kush.
We created Cooking with Kush to help educate people on the many benefits and uses of cannabis. We also want to help demonstrate ways to make cannabis-related products right in your home. Lastly, we want to help you and us communicate our love and support for the great cannabis plant. You can find out more about Davon and I and support the Cooking with Kush brand at cookingwithkush.com.
So our kitchen will not be complete without our other partner in crime, Chef Audy.
Yeah, our chef is really important.
Because we really don't cook in this kitchen. So let's get Chef in the kitchen. Call over.
Come on, Chef Audy, you here?
Yes, I am in the place. How are you, ladies?
Hey, Chef. So tell our viewers a little bit about yourself and what you do.
All right. I am Audrey, Chef Audy Peoples. I'm from Benton Harbor, Michigan. I've cooked all over the country in various wonderful restaurants, some here in Chicago. The current one is called Soul's Ground Cafe. It's in our arts district in downtown Benton Harbor. My feeling, or what I'm trying to project through my cafe and through my food, is reconnecting food to its source and plant-based medicine. So it's been an awesome experience for me because I've been able to grow cannabis. I also cook with it as well. So it's now a trifecta. I get to grow it, cook with it, smoke it, and enjoy what the effects of cannabis can do. It can bring you joy and also help heal you.
All right. So where's your assistant today?
My assistant. No kitchen or business is complete without an assistant. Her name is Lena Miles.
Lena.
Hello, everyone.
So now the gang's all here. Chef, tell them exactly what's decarbing the weed, the process of it.
Decarbing is very necessary in order for you to get the psychoactive effects of the plant. So we have to apply heat to it, not too much because we don't want to burn it. So around 240 degrees, called decarbolaxation of the cannabis plant, and that activates. So it starts out, the THC is the component that's in the cannabis plant, but we want to get to that. And to get to that, it comes from a THCA form, which is an acidic form. So we light it by decarbing it, and then we make it ready to cook with.
We can't decarb any weed because we don't have any. So we need to make a phone call to Calm and go over there and pick up some. We need at least an ounce. So let's go over to Calm's and get some weed, see what she got today.
Hi everybody, I'm Carm the Bud Tender. I just got the call from Pam and Davon and they're looking to make a good meal today. So we decided to go with the Sherb cake. It's an indica dominant, about 25 to 26% THC level. It is used for treating pain and nausea, chronic stress. It stimulates the mind while relaxing the body, so you're not gonna necessarily get crushed if you are using it medicinally. Plus, this lovely little guy has a very tropical, fruity scent, so I think it's gonna be great for the dish that they're cooking. Also, it's good to remember that you don't always need to spend top dollar to cook with your Kush. I try to do a little bit of research and find stuff in different price ranges so that you can, take your medicine and still keep it affordable. Anyhow, gonna pack this up, so thanks for checking in and can't wait to see how it turns out.
We picked up this delicious Sherb cake. So we already coarsely grinded it to get it ready to decarb. It's beautiful. Chef, you gonna do the honors?
Yes, I would love to. What we're gonna do is put this into the bag. It's an oven bag. And couple of reasons, twofold. We wanna keep the odor or the beautiful terpenes that come off of this beautiful bud. We wanna keep it in there. Also, if you live maybe in an apartment or something like that, because we're activating it, the smell, if you're familiar with the smell of cannabis or marijuana, is going to give off that smell. So if you want to kind of be discreet and you want to keep in the beautiful terpenes into the bud, just put it in a bag. pick this up at any supermarket. We're just gonna tie it off a little bit and let the air out of it. We wanna flatten it so that while it's decarbing, it's kind of nice and even. And you'll pretty much know that it's ready when it starts to turn brown and the smell becomes a whole lot more pronounced. And so what we're gonna do next is just take it on over to the oven. It's gonna be set at 240 degrees. We really don't want it any higher than that because we don't want to burn the cannabis. And in about, 20-30 minutes, it'll be ready. All right, well, it's been 30 minutes. The oven at 240 degrees. And this is the result. I'm just gonna...
It looks perfect.
Get the beautiful brown color. Can you smell that? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Can y'all smell that?
I wish you had smell-o-vision because this smells amazing. And so we just kind of want to spread it out on the baking sheet so you can kind of just see what the result is, kind of have an idea of what the color was before we started, and then what it's like after it's been decarbed.
So with all that being said, if you like what you saw and you're ready to see episode 2, like, subscribe, share this episode.
Don't forget to support the brand Cooking with Kush at cookingwithkush.com.
And great, so what we're gonna do, we'll see you next time where we're gonna take this beautifully decarbed weed and show you how to infuse it in butter and in oil.
Until next time, bye.